Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to fix the resolution issues on Windows 11. So first of all, you need to right click on your desktop. Then you need to go to display settings. And once you open the display setting, first of all, you need to check for scale and layout and make sure it is chosen as recommended. Then you need to scroll down and look for display resolution. Just click that option and make sure it is also recommended. First you have to choose a recommended option that is recommended by your hardware. Now second thing, you need to check for advanced display, and sometime I have noticed that choose a refresh rate also can cause this issue, so you can choose it to minimum one, or you can choose this refresh rate to higher one. Higher is always recommended and will give you good result and good display resolutions, but that is up to you. So this is the first setting, and make sure you can also change these settings according to your hardware, but recommended should work, definitely working fine on your computer. If this is also unable to fix your issue, let's now close this and let's open the device manager. And this happens due to display resolutions. Now open the display driver, this option, and you might have the Microsoft basic driver here. In that case, you need to right click on it, and if you are still seeing this, the manufacturer driver, just click on update and search automatically for driver. Otherwise you can right click on it and go to its properties and go for driver and see its driver date and its version. And if it is old driver, let's say this is old, so you need to look for same driver on Google. In my case it is Intel USD graphics. Let's open the Google Chrome and type there Intel UHD graphic drivers and just open the Intel link. Now inside this you need to look for support, and then you need to look for drivers download center, and now type here Intel UHD graphic driver, and let's see its version as well. So now we can also copy this version as of now. Intel USD graphics. Let's open it. Intel USD graphics. Now you can look for your Intel 10th and 11th generation. What generation you need to look, that is up to you. So you need to open your system information and simply look for your Intel processor generation. In my case it is 12th generation and Core i3. So I will choose this option 11 to 14th. Just you need to click on here download button, and if you have the older one 7 to 10 generation, the Intel graphic one, whichever graphic driver you are finding out for your device, you need to look for that and you can click on download option, and version is showing up here which I was talking about. So version we can see here, what is the version? 10170, and 7.6. So my driver is a bit older, but 32 version is showing up here since that is launched in a September. So I can download this driver. Similarly, you need to look for the same driver according to your system specs, and then you need to install the driver on your computer or the laptop. And I'm pretty sure once you install the latest driver and correct driver for your PC or laptop, your issue will be fixed surely. Let's minimize it until it's getting downloaded. Now third step, you need to look for check for update driver and make sure your window is up to date. Check for update and install all the pending updates. Once you install pending updates and install your correct driver, just need to restart your Windows and your issue will be fixed after that. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.